Good morning. It's time to learn another Greg Tang game. So I had never played this one before. I think for some reason I had thought I had played it in the past and I thought it was too easy, but tis not. So it starts out level one's really easy, but today I want to try to get you through 3 levels. So it's called Minus Mania, and it's going to make you practice adding integers, positive and negative numbers. That's the 3rd level. That's the hardest. The 2nd level is you're going to have to remember when we did the coordinate grid where we had, positive, and we played Battleship, and you had to remember how to plot something on a grid. So you might have to go back and look at any notes you have in your spiral on that before you play it. You might want to go back over your positive and negative, adding and subtracting those integers before you play this. But round one's super easy. So we're going to click, I already did the learn and I already practiced it. So we're going to click play and go ahead and click easy, because it gets complicated enough when you get to level 2 and 3. One of these days we'll figure out what medium and hard are, but for today, just do easy. If you get bored, you can try the hard levels. So my goal is for everybody to try to get through level 3 today, which is Apple Mist. Within each level, there's 3 rounds. So that would be a total of 9 rounds. So you might have to take a break in between them if you need to. Level 1's though really easy. Okay, so we're going to start with level 1. It already has me on Apple Mist because I had just played it. But we're going to start over. I don't know if 63 is a good score. I have no idea. Okay, so hopefully I can explain it. Okay, so you've got to, before this number -6 gets through this maze, it tells you up here what to identify. And on this number line, I'm going to identify -6. If this is 0 and this is 5, then this must be -6. Okay, if this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, this is -3. This is a 5, so this must be -7. This must be -3 because I know that's 5. It's halfway. -8 is going to be closer to 10. So that's pretty easy. That's the first round. Okay, again, it's telling you up here, but it's this number, -6. Just take note that there's a 5 here that's halfway. So -6 is farther than the 5. A +1, +9, a 10. A -6. This is 5, so this is -6. That would be -4. -2, -10, -8, +9, +5. Okay, last round, and then we're going to get to the harder ones. So you'll get some vertical number lines as well. So this is 0, this is 5, this halfway, so this will be -6. I got to hurry up. -4 starts to go faster. -9, -2. Ooh, it's speeding up on me. -5. Okay, I can breathe. -10's way down here. This is 5, so this is -7. This is 5 on the way up here, so this is +6. 1, 2, 3. This is 5, so one more is 6. 2 past 5 is 7. I need a 1. I need a -1, a -6, and a +10. Okay, so that level is just a good little warm-up for negatives to the left, positives to the right, positive is up, negative is down. And then remember, we're going to put them together when we get to the grid now. So positives to the right and positive is up. Negative is down and negatives to the left. So now we're going to put it together in the next level, the turquoise cloud. We're going to do coordinates. Okay, so it's telling you, it wants you to click on the -10 in this coordinate, -10, -8. So from here, I go -10, -8. Okay, sorry, dogs are coming. Okay, so I'm going to go -10, -2. Actually, I guess you click on the one that's highlighted. Okay, -3, -5. So you have to find the coordinate. -7, +9. I don't know why it just has that. Anyway. Okay, -4, -7. Okay, that's round 1. Okay, +4, 0, I don't go anywhere. -3, +10. It's going to take some practice. Okay, -6, +5. -3, +9. Negative, that's 5, 6, 7, -9 down here. Usually when you, oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, -9, -7. Okay, see, I messed up. +5, 6, 7, -5. 1, 2, 3, -3, and then up 5 because it's +5. -8, up 3 for +3. Ooh, 1, 2, and then -1. -7, and then don't go anywhere because it's 0. Whew, okay. Oh, one more round. Okay, y'all hang with me because I want you to see the last level. That's when it gets really hard. It's getting fast already. 9, -3. I gotta go fast. Okay, -9, +9. -8, -9. -5, -7. -9, -5. -2, a lot of negatives. -8. It's okay. -3, +9. -10, -3. 6, -1. -1, -6. -3, -4. Sorry, this is taking me a while, but I want you to get to the last level. 1, -5. I got to be almost done, right? 5, 6, 7, +5. I like how it has these little grids to help you find the fives. 1, -5. Am I done yet? -3, +6. Okay, so now this last one, this last level, the apple mist, and if you need to like walk away, take a break, come back to this, come back to it later, do something else. I want you to try this level because that grid one's kind of like, whoa, overwhelming because it goes really fast. This one is just, you have to remember when you're subtracting a negative, if you see 2 minus signs, we said that we could take those 2 minus signs and turn them into a positive. There's too much negativity, we're going to turn it positive. We also talked about it just means add the opposite. Okay, so you got a number line here. Right now it's -5 minus a -4, which means we're going to add the opposite, or we're going to change this to a positive. So it's -5 plus 4, which is a -1. This is a 1 plus 2, because we're going to take those 2 negatives and we're going to turn them into a positive. That's a 3. Okay, we have different signs, same signs, keep the sign, different signs, subtract, and then we keep the sign of the larger. So this is a +5. You really don't want me to sing, do you? The difference here is 6. We keep the sign of the 10. This is we're gonna add, we take these 2 negatives, turn them into a positive. -8 plus 2 is -6. You'll see how this works. Okay, the difference here is 5. We're gonna keep the sign of the 7 and make it a +5. The difference here is 7. We're going to keep the sign of the -10. So this should be -7. This is adding, subtract the negative, turn that into a plus sign. 1 plus 7 is 8. The difference between these two is 7, and we're going to make it negative because the 10 is negative. The difference between these two is 2, but we're going to make it negative because the 4 is negative. The difference here is 7, and it's positive. The difference here is a +5. No, it's a -5. My bad. Okay. We're going to add these two. Take the 2 negatives, turn them into a positive, becomes an 8. Getting tired. Add these two. -1 plus 2 is a +1. -8 plus 1 is a -7. Okay, I'm not doing round 3. I think y'all get the hang of it. Okay, see if you can get through round 3. Let me know what you think. This is some challenging stuff. It's been a while since we've done it. I'm out. Did not complete level 3. Oh, my score is 138. I don't know if that's good. Y'all let me know how you do. Okay, have fun.